Hello everyone, welcome back to the EVS class children. So, in today's class, we are going to learn the lesson number 8, clothes, spellings, then the true or false, fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. Okay? Okay, let us start the first main of your lesson, that is clothes lessons content words. Okay? The content words have written here is according, observe, sweat, woolen, insect, uniform, identify, materials, yarn, textile, cocoon, durable, attractive, detergent and silkworm. Let us read now one by one the spellings now. Okay? Okay children, the first word is according. The first word is according. Read the spelling. A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. According. Okay? Once again shall we repeat? Yes. A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. According. The next one is observe. Observe, the spelling is A-B-S-O-R-D. Observe. Once again, A-B-S-O-R-D. Observe. Okay. Next word is sweat. The next word is sweat. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. Once again, S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. Okay. Next, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. The next word is woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. The next, insect. What is the word? Insect. So the spelling is I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. Once again, shall we repeat the spelling? Yes. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. Okay. Next, uniform. The next word is uniform. So, U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Once again, U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. The next word is identify. The next word is identify. The spelling of identify is I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. Once again, shall we repeat? Yes. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. Okay. Next is materials. The next word is materials. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. Materials. Once again, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. Materials. Okay, got it? Yes. Next, yarn. Next word is yarn. That is Y-A-R-N-S. Yarn. Once again, Y-A-R-N-S. Yarn. Next word is textile. T-E-X-T-I-L-E. Textile. Once again, T-E-X-T-I-L-E. Textile. Okay. Next, cocoon. The spelling of cocoon is C-O-C-O-O-N. C-O-C-O-O-N. Cocoon. The next is durable. Durable. D-U-R-A-B-L-E. Durable. Once again, D-U-R-A-B-L-E. Durable. Okay. Next, attractive. Attractive. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E. Attractive. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E. Attractive. Next, detergent. Detergent. D-E-T-E-R-G-E-N-T. Detergent. Okay, repeat the spelling now. D-E-T-E-R-G-E-N-T. Detergent. The next is silkworm. S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M. Silkworm. Once again, S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M. Silkworm. So we have learned this spelling. Once again, let us revise all the words. Okay? According, observe, sweat, woolen, insect, uniform, identify, materials, yarn, textile, cocoon, durable, attractive, detergent, silkworm. Okay, now we have completed the first meaning. So let us move on to the second meaning, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, the second meaning is fill in the blanks. The first question of the fill in the blanks is, we wear cotton clothes in summer. When do we wear cotton clothes? You all know, no? When do we wear the cotton clothes? During summer only we are going to wear the cotton clothes, right? So, repeat after me. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Spelling for summer is S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Once again, S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Okay. Next, second question is, woolen clothes keep us dash. How do the woolen clothes keep us? It keeps us warm, right? So the answer is warm. W-A-R-M, warm. Once again, repeat after me. Woolen clothes keep us warm. The spelling of warm is W-A-R-M, warm. Okay, next, the third one. Which insect spins a cocoon around its body? What is the question? Which insect spins a cocoon around its body? Which insect will spin cocoon? I told you. Yes, that is the silkworm. What is the answer? Silkworm. What is the spelling for silkworm? S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M. Silkworm. Once again, repeat. S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M. Silkworm. Got it? Next mean is true or false. Next mean is true or false. If it is, the sentence is right, then you have to write true. If the statement is wrong, then you have to write false. Got it? What is the first question here? What is the first question? See, we get cotton from cotton plants. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? We are getting cotton from cotton plants. Is it true? Yes, the statement is true. So, T-R-U-E, true. Okay, once again, we get cotton from cotton plants. So, the statement is true. Okay, second question. Cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes keep us warm. Is it true or false? Cotton clothes are keeping us warm? No. Then what is cotton clothes? How it will keep us? It will keep us cool. Is right? Why? Because cotton clothes are very light. So it keeps our body cool. Okay. So the answer, the statement is wrong. So we are writing false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay. Next, third one. Wool comes from the sheep. Wool comes from the sheep. Is it true or false? From where we'll get the wool? Yes, from the sheep we'll get the wool. That means the statement is true, right? So we are writing T-R-U-E, true. Got it? Yes. Next, fourth question. Silk clothes are durable and attractive. Silk clothes are durable and attractive. Durable means expensive. Silk clothes are expensive and attractive. Will you agree with this? Yes. So the statement is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Next, fifth one. We should take proper care of clothes. We should take proper care of clothes. We should take proper care of clothes. We should take or not? Yes, we have to take the proper care of clothes. So the statement is true. T-R-U-E, true. Got it? Okay, shall we move on to the next main, that is answer the following questions. Okay? Yes, children. Now we'll read the first question of your answer the following questions. Okay, the first question is, why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? What is the first question? Why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? You know why we are wearing the cotton clothes in summer? Why? Yes, cotton clothes are very light. As no, it keeps our body cool also. Then it's going to absorb the sweat coming from our body. Yes, no children? So the answer is because cotton clothes are light, it keeps us cool and also absorb sweat. Okay, what is the answer now? Because cotton clothes are light, it keeps us cool and also absorb the sweat. Okay. Once again, shall we read the same answer with the question, children? Read the question. Why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? This is the question. The answer is, we wear cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes are light, it keeps us cool and also absorbs sweat. Okay, next, the second question is, why do we wear woolen clothes? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? So why do we wear the woolen clothes in winter? Why we should wear woolen clothes? Because in winter it's very cold, right? Cold season, no, winter season. So during that time we are going to wear the woolen clothes. Why? Because woolen clothes keep us warm. As no children, the woolen clothes are keeping our body warm in the winter season. So that we are going to wear the woolen clothes during the winter season. Okay, say. Because woolen clothes keep us warm. Repeat after me. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Answer is, we wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay, woolen clothes keeps us warm. Next, we'll move on to the third question. That is, why do people wear uniform? Why do the people wear uniform? All will wear the uniform? No, who will do the special jobs? They are going to wear the uniforms, right? So, by their uniform only we can identify them. As I told you when explaining the lesson, when we are going to the hospital or somewhere, if they are wearing the uniform, we can identify them as a doctor, as no postman, soldier. By their uniforms only, we are going to identify the people. Right now, so that the people who does special job wears uniform so that we can identify them looking at their uniform. Right, children? Yes, once again, the people who does special job wears uniform so that we can identify them looking at their uniform. Got it? Once again, shall we repeat? Yes. Repeat after me. Why do people wear uniform? The answer is the people who does special jobs wear uniform so that we can identify them looking at their uniform. Got it, children? Once again, shall we repeat all the question answers? 3 question answers also. Say, what is the first question? Why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do you wear cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton clothes are light, it keeps us cool and absorb sweat. Okay. Next question. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? The answer is because in winter woolen clothes because in winter it is cold, so woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay, otherwise you can say like this also, in winter the days are very cold, so we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm. Okay, next, why do people wear uniform? The people who does special job wears uniform so that we can identify them looking at their uniform. Okay, children? Yes. I hope you all understood this one. Okay, once again revise all the question answers, then the content spelling, fill in the blanks, true or false. Okay, let us meet in the next class, children. Thank you.